Hey guys, welcome back. We're going to talk about our intro for this week for geometry. Got quite a few things to discuss, so let's go ahead and get started. A few things. Where to find everything? It's all in Classroom. So let's take a look at Classroom. All right, here we are in the Geometry Pre-AP. Remember, starting next week, you'll go to the period that you are enrolled in. I think many of you already signed up for this early in the year. Make sure you go to those periods to find out what your assignments are. They will all be posted on that from now on. So let's go ahead and get started. I'll get started. I don't know how many times I've said that. Let's look at, here's the stream. We're going to go to classwork. And we have week 3, April 6th through 10th. And here is everything you need to know that you need to complete for the week. Everything. But let's talk about the checklist. All right, so fill all of this out. If you need to know what is it that you need to do. I know this says week 2 checklist, but it should be week 3. Watch the intro video. Watch and take notes for 11-2, both videos. Geometry week 3 assignment. Make sure it's uploaded. You submit your work. And then there were 2 IXLs this week, S3 and S4. This is what you need to complete. Use this checklist so you can complete it all. All right, let's go back. We are on classwork again. I don't think anybody has had any issues with the assignment to complete other than not turning it in. Well, and not showing work. Those are the big things, but we'll talk about that later. But I only had a couple people who did not do it, like maybe 2 people. So here it is, in case you don't know where to find it. All right, so now we know where to find everything in Classroom. Few things. Let's talk about work. You must show your work. This is not a new concept. This has been that way. You've been with me for 1.5 years, not new stuff. It must be neat and organized. It must be neat and organized so I can read it, understand it. Skip a line between each problem. Please skip a line between each problem so I can find the problems easier, the answers. Put a box around your answer or highlight, preferably in yellow. Some of the darker highlighters are harder to read, but please make sure that I can find your answers. Write darkly, meaning if you write light, make sure you write dark. Make sure you write big enough for me to read. Just don't turn in something that's very light and I'm going to have a hard time reading because then I'll just send it back. Post clear photos. If your photo, look at your photo that you've taken. Make sure it's clear. Make sure there's no shadows. Make sure I can read it and then post it. If you can barely read it, I am definitely not going to be able to read it. Your goal not only is to show understanding of what's being taught, but for me to check if you understand and making it easy for me to grade. I've got 150 kids to grade for, 50 geometry kids, and it is definitely more difficult and more time consuming to grade assignments on the computer. So make sure that you follow all of these steps. Grading. You will be graded on your answer choices and the appropriate work for each problem. Now, I haven't done this with geometry, but there may be times when there's assignments that I will pick some problems to grade, and that's what I'll use to be grading, and I'll be checking the work, and I'll be checking the answer. If you just have answers, you don't have work, you're not going to get full credit. You need to prove the answers with work. This next week, you're going to be learning about areas of regular polygons and composite figures. Now, I have 2 videos, one that I made that's on the composite figures, but there is another video that I posted from a gentleman, I think his first name is Mario, and it is a great video. Make sure you watch that. He explains it perfectly, better than I could. So go back and watch it. He does a great job. So make sure that you watch that video. That's from him, and then the part 2 composite is what I made for you. Expectations each week. Complete everything on the checklist by the Friday it is due. Everything. Complete everything on the checklist. Simple as that. Thank you to everyone who follows and completes all assignments. There's so many of you out there that do it, and I really appreciate it. I know that this is kind of new for all of us, but think about it. You usually get at least 5 assignments every week, and you're only getting 2. So that should make it easier for you, and you have so much time to do it on your own. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate you. And finally, enjoy your holiday and wash your hands. Please be safe and be well. I will see you next week. Bye.